Hi, my name is Bobby, and this is my 96 Honda Civic.
So what's up, guys? I'm out here with Bobby today, and we're going to give you a little review of his 96 Civic. I met him at the track from a mutual friend of ours, and I've always seen his car, and it's such a fantastic looking car that he had hit me up about a month ago. He wanted to do a review of his Civic before he potentially changes up the look, maybe? Bobby?
Maybe, but for sure taking it to ASR.
Okay, so he's wanted to get a little video of it, do a little walk around before he makes some more upgrades, and he wants to actually get this car on track with us out there. So he's going to take us around the car right now, and he's going to give us a full overview of everything that consists of his build.
Originally I was going to wrap it, the spoon look, but it was quite more expensive than what I thought. So me being with my dad, we paint, so the blue and the yellow are paint, pretty much. I mean, I've had it yellow for a while, and like I said, the whole spoon look was a trial and error type thing, and it came out better than I thought, so we just left it. The front bumper, let's see, it has first molding canards. The lip, it's a Gretty lip. I shaved off the logo, it was in the center. And the splitter is made by a Loco, Brave Souls. Got that done with him, and just I was telling him ideas, and he just ran with it, and it is what it is now, and I love it, man. It's different for me, and I like it. The track light fenders, well, I just did my spin on it as well. I shaved it off, the little logo, I just made it more smoother, my fender flares on them. And other than that, I mean, it just cleaner look without the logo, and just molded it on the fender itself. For the side skirts, I mean, they're PCI 5-inch side skirt. I just painted them. Yeah, the sun visors, they're OEM Honda Axis. Yeah, these are my spoons. They're wrapped in Michelins. They are 17s. All right, on the rear of this car, I got a Bomex wing with a gurney flap, Sibon trunk. Recently just restored it. The bumper, I had a friend make the cutouts for me. I mean, overall, it's just for looks. My diffuser, it's a spoon diffuser cut in half to fit the EK. It is off an S2K. I got the HK's high power exhaust. Right now, it's just a tip. I do need to get the full exhaust made. My power plant is a US B16 with the LS transmission. I got my Mishimoto radiator, a couple of spoon goodies, the spoon radiator hoses. This one is just an eBay turbo. I mean, long story short, a guy needed to pay rent on his house. Came up on it with ECU. Honda alone was $500, so I paid $300 for the whole kit. Right now, last me and Rob at G-Tune was at $300. But he said there was more power in it, but turbo was holding it back. So I'm not really big in power. I'm just more of an aesthetic look, but I'm happy where it's at. Just a regular stock intake manifold, and then fuel rail BDL. My wiring harness is Y-wire. My fuel tuck is a Chase Bay. My brake booster delete is also blocks. They also deleted the brake master cylinder, and I have the S2K one on there. I did a shaved and tucked the bay. My wastegate's a tile. I got Skunk 2 Pro C damper kit. And as far as my strut mount, it's a spoon also.
So what about your interior? Give me a quick breakdown of what's going on inside here.
I mean, I got Type R door panels. I got F1 spec bucket seats.
Seat brackets?
Seat brackets are from PCI.
Steering wheel?
Spoon with the spoon hub. What else? We got the Type R cluster. Got the air to fuel ratios. I got my spoon shift knob. Also on a K-Tune shifter. And Checkered Sports floor plate.
What about in the rear? What kind of harness bar is this?
The harness bar, it's a no-name brand. I got it on...
It kind of looks like the blocks we installed too. Okay. Is it part of those bars that go across the windows as well?
No, these are separate. These are from Ultra Racing.
Oh, nice.
And then the one in the rear is a Godspeed.
The whole like X brace?
Yes.
Got it.
It's a Godspeed.
And then just painted interior?
Yeah, painted and took out the sound dampening. and just painted it all.
Battery in the trunk. Perfect, looks nice, love it. Simple. And so lastly, where do you want to take this car next? What's the goal? You said the track, right? So that's essentially...
Yeah, I want to take it to ASR just to see what it does. I mean, put it to use, I mean, for what I built it for. So let's see if it hangs out there. I mean, so overall, just enjoy the car now that it's kind of where I want it. Just enjoy it.
Absolutely. So what do you think what's the first mod you need to do for ASR, like getting ready for the track? What do you feel like is the first one?
Definitely put back my brake booster.
Your brake booster, okay.
Yes.
And then second,
overall, it's had some issues with my rack.
okay.
So I'm gonna convert it over to a manual.
That's right. You said it was still power, but just all the lines disconnected.
Yeah. So everything's just disconnected. And overall, just after that, I mean, like you were telling me, I should just go ahead and check out my inner tie rods and stuff like that once I'm down there. So
Perfect.
yeah, do that. Suspension-wise, I mean, I think I'm there already.
Do you have we haven't mentioned it, bushings anywhere, like, or the stock?
Everywhere is stock except for the rear control arms.
Okay, the lower control arms?
Yeah, they're block set up back there, so all that's upgraded. And then also my rear traction bar, that has bushings in it.
Okay.
So the rear end it's in my opinion, I guess, pretty set up.
Yes.
So.
What about your brakes? Are they just like stock pads, stock rotors?
Yeah, just regular stock CTR pads and rotors. I mean, hopefully they can. I mean, they should hold out at the track. I mean, nothing big, I hope.
One thing we forgot also, you have the 5-lug setup, right?
Yes.
Is it CTR, you said?
Yeah, they're off the CTR.
So you have a complete 5-lug CTR setup. That includes the brakes, larger brakes. That could be something you could do. I would just go with stock brakes to the track too. You'll be perfectly fine for now.
Yeah, and I mean, I know I'm missing the spoon ones, but overall, I mean, I don't need them. It's mainly for me, probably be more of a look thing for me. I know they serve a better purpose, but not for what I'm trying to do.
Absolutely. Just have a little bit of fun and burn some tires.
Yeah.
Nice. And so that kind of wraps it up for Bobby's car, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy these style of videos. I'd like to do more of these in the future. I have a couple other friends of friends that potentially want to get their cars on video also. But I want to say thanks to Bobby for taking the time to actually let me come check it out. I'd never really inspected his car up in person before, and we'd never really talked about it, so it's nice me learning about it and seeing his mods, and it's going to be cool when he actually gets out there to the track. So thanks again, Bobby. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks for just the whole overview of it, and I mean, can't wait till I'm out there with you guys. Just inspiration. I mean, just saw you guys out there. I mean, I've been wanting to go out for a while, and when we had the event, I mean, that really pushed me. So that's what's going to be for next season. Try to make it out.
Perfect. We'll see it out there. And when he does get out there, guys, you know, I'm going to put some GoPros on his car. We're going to see some footage of it out there so we can kind of see how he does and how he progresses as he gets out of the track. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.